Hi there, this is Niki Rowland and today I am designing a layout for Freckled Fawn using the August embellishment kit and a set of journaling cards that match the kit too. I particularly loved the epoxy flower stickers with the gold and the matching wood chips too, and have based my layout today around those two things. So I began by cutting some beautiful flowers on my silhouette machine. They are called boho florals too and are by Just Nick. I cut them on white cardstock, and I've picked out this piece of Paige Evans paper to mount my layout on, and the middle of that, which I've just taken out, I'm going to use to backfill my really lovely florals, those detailed boho florals that I cut using my silhouette machine. There they are there. So what I'm doing is I'm going to back those by hand. So I'm drawing round each one and I'm going to fussy cut each one out and stick them on. They're quite detailed and small, so therefore this is going to take quite a while. So I will pop back once they're all filled. Now that each of my flowers are filled, I can arrange them onto my layout in any way that I wish. I've kept them all different tones of the same colour, and that just gives a nice light effect, subtle effect for my layout, which is the look I'm hoping to achieve overall. I've just taken a journaling card there and fussy cut around the flowers in the bottom right corner, and tucked my photo in there. I've added a doily, one of the acetate doilies, just to the left of my photo. You can just about see it there. And now I'm just getting all my flowers stuck in place. I want this layout to have lots of dimensions, so I'm raising them all up on foam pads. Now that my flowers are all in place, I can start adding in the pieces from the August embellishment kit that were my inspiration for this layout in the first place. So you can see I'm just tucking in some wood veneer pieces, and I'm going now for the epoxy stickers. I absolutely love these stickers. They're so gorgeous. They are black line drawings, and they have been infused with gold and they have epoxy over the top, so they're just stunning. I'm just tucking those in wherever I can onto my layout and adding in the final bits from that epoxy sheet. I've used pretty much all of them on this layout, but I've got a little turquoise heart at the top there. I'm also adding in the tiny filigree charms. There's a feather and a leaf. They're both really delicate and so lovely. So I've popped those into this layout too. Just going to add some fussy cut cameras. They're in the right colour tones, so I'm just going to add those onto my layout too. I'm also going to get in one of the final acetate doilies. That's a white one, and I'm just about going to tuck under that other doily there to the right of my photo. There you go, putting it in now and sticking that in place. That's my layout nearly done. So just got a few final touches. So I'm just going to add a title in there. That's from a Paige Evans sticker sheet that I've had for quite a while now. So I've been looking to use that title. Adding some flicks of watercolour paint just to give a little bit of extra colour. And finally, I'm just going to finish off by adding in those final epoxy stickers, and I've got this clear phrase sticker here as well that I want to get in. I couldn't find a place I was happy with, but I settled just there under the title in the end. Okay, so that is my layout complete. Thank you so much for watching. That was Niki Rowland for Freckled Fawn.